So, another helpful job that you can do to help your parents is to clean out your pets. Now, I've got a rabbit, you can see. It's quite a big rabbit. It's called Rocky the rabbit. He's a Rex breed and he likes to eat, well, pretty much everything if he's allowed to. So he's eating a bit of hay there. You can see all the poos over there. He really needs to be cleaned out. So first thing to do is to take Rocky to one of his favourite places. Either the shed, where he likes to hide in there, or outside on the grass in his little pen. So I think I'll take him to the shed today. To clean out your rabbit, you will need some hay, dustpan and brush, some sawdust, newspapers and a pair of gloves. First thing we're going to do though is just to take the cage off. Okay, and take the top, there we go, and then we can see what we've got to do. Oh, also you're going to need a big dustbin bag to put all the rubbish in, and that can go in your normal bin outside. Okay, so just roll the newspapers up and put them into the dustbin bag, okay, and then you'll have to use dustpan and brush to do the rest. This dustpan and brush should only be used for the rabbit, it's not a house one, okay. Once you've emptied out all the bedding and everything and put it in the bin, in a nice bin bag, put some newspaper down. I tend to put a few newspapers in the left hand, that's where the rabbit likes to do his poos and his wheeze, and this bit is where he likes to relax, so I'll put the hay there, okay. So I'll just put hay here and I'll put some sawdust here. This should be how your cage looks now at the end. You've got the bedding in one area and you've got the sawdust for the toilet in the other area. Okay, now I'm just going to put the cage top on and put the rabbit food in and the water and go and find the rabbit. And off we go to fetch Rocky the rabbit. Where will he be? There he is. I can see him jumping around. So get me out of here. I don't like it in here. Will he come out? Hey? Do you want to come out? Yeah? You want some treats? Yeah. Is it dinner time? I think it might be. Alright then. And Rocky's back in his cage. He jumped all the way back and hopped and skipped. And he's there just in time probably to have a nice big wee on his sawdust and a little bit to eat. Okay, bye everybody.